Okay, so I'm going to show you how to make this Mother's Day card in the shape of a teapot. And it's quite cute because once you open it up, you've got a little tea bag in there for your mum. I wanted to show this one because I remembered making this card for my mum when I was about 4 or 5. And I remember being quite upset when I gave it to her because the tea bag had split. And she couldn't use it, so we stapled a new one. I think my dad or someone stapled a new one on there, and I remember not being happy about the fact that it was the wrong shape, different shape. I think it was, I had a circle one and we had to replace it with a square, so I wasn't too happy about that. But I think at the moment, hopefully we'll all be glad for getting a nice free tea bag. So I think hopefully lots of mums will appreciate this card. I know it's a bit short notice, but you might want to give this one a go this afternoon or this evening for Mother's Day for tomorrow. So the things that you will need are a piece of A4 card, can be of whatever colour you like. I've just drawn a teapot template. I just found an outline of a teapot online and just copied that. I'm sure you could be able to find one online and print one out. You'll need a pencil, some scissors, some glue, stick, stapler, some felt pens, and maybe something to decorate your teapot with. So I've got some pom-poms here. Oh, and of course a tea bag. So the first thing you need to do is to fold your piece of card very carefully in half, making sure it's nice and neat. Okay, so you've got a folded piece of card there. I've just used white, but you could use a different colour if you wanted to. And then with your teapot template, just place that somewhere in the middle, but make sure that the top is right at the edge, so you're not actually going to cut that bit, so it stays in one piece. You want it to open like a card, so you need to have a nice straight line across the top there where you're not going to cut. So I'm going to draw around. Oh, and don't forget the hole in the handle, otherwise you won't be able to pick up your teapot. So we've drawn around our card, and now we just need to cut it out. So we're going to start at the top so we don't forget that we're leaving this space, this part of the card stuck together. And then to cut out your hole in your handle, you might want to just draw around it again on the other side, because cutting through 2 bits of card neatly is difficult. And then I find if you can't get a pencil through to just make a hole, I did it that time, you can just take a piece of blue tack, put it underneath, and then push the pencil through. So children, you might want to get an adult's help to do this bit because it can be a bit tricky trying to cut a hole in the middle. And there's your teapot card, like that. And then all you need to do now is to decorate it. I'm going to go for green and blue theme this time. Okay, so you can decorate it however you like, whatever your mum might like as well. If she's got any favourite colours, maybe do that. And then you just need to write your message inside. And then lastly, you're just going to get your tea bag and very carefully staple it into the corner. So just try not to go, just go on the edge bit here rather than on the inside bit, because that's where it might rip. Okay, and there we have it. Really quick and fun teapot cards for Mother's Day. Hope you enjoyed.